In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train using Microsoft Teams for free. This is a fantastic way to enhance your skills and make the most of this powerful communication and collaboration platform. Whether you're new to Teams or looking to deepen your understanding of its features, you'll find a wealth of valuable resources right within the application itself, all without spending a dime. We'll walk through the simple steps to access these built-in training materials, ensuring you can learn at your own pace and convenience. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of Microsoft Teams together. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams application. Once you're on the main interface, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You'll notice a series of icons there. What we're looking for specifically is the icon represented by 3 horizontal dots. This is a universal design element, often indicating a More Options or Menu button, allowing access to additional functionalities that aren't immediately visible. It's a key navigation point for discovering hidden features or settings within many applications, and Teams is no exception. A simple click here will reveal a drop-down menu with various options, guiding us to where we need to go next. After clicking the 3 dotted line icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list of options, you'll want to locate and click on Help. The Help section in Microsoft Teams is designed to be your go-to resource for support, troubleshooting, and, most importantly for our purposes today, learning. This is where Microsoft centralizes various guides and resources to assist users in navigating the platform efficiently. It's an intuitive place to find answers to common questions or discover new ways to use the software, ensuring you always have assistance readily available right within your workflow. Within the Help menu, you'll find several sub-options. To access the structured learning content, select Video Training. This specific option is your direct gateway to a library of instructional videos crafted by Microsoft. These videos are incredibly helpful because they offer visual demonstrations, making it much easier to grasp complex concepts or see features in action compared to simply reading text. If you're a visual learner, this section will be particularly beneficial, providing step-by-step guidance through various Teams functionalities and best practices. It's an organized collection designed to help you quickly get up to speed or refine your existing skills. Upon clicking Video Training, you'll be redirected to a dedicated training portal within Teams. Here you'll immediately see a clear confirmation that this training is indeed available to you completely free of charge. This section is structured to offer a comprehensive learning experience, covering everything from the absolute basics of setting up a team or joining a meeting, to more advanced features like managing channels, using apps, or collaborating on documents. Take a moment to browse the categories or topics presented. You'll find that the content is often organized logically, making it easy to pinpoint the specific area you wish to learn more about, empowering you to master Teams at your own pace. Now that you're in the training section, you have the flexibility to choose how you want to learn. You'll notice options to either explore articles or continue watching videos. If you prefer concise, text-based explanations and quick reference guides, clicking on articles will provide you with written documentation that you can read through at your leisure. Alternatively, if you find visual demonstrations more effective, stick with the videos option to access the comprehensive library we just discussed. Many users find a combination of both to be most effective, watching a video for an overview, then referring to an article for specific details or troubleshooting. Feel free to explore both formats to discover what best suits your learning style and specific needs, ensuring you get the most out of your free training experience.